Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Rishelle. Today you're going to be witnessing me transform myself in a hotel bathroom. So first I'm just going to wrap that hair up, and of course I have to have my morning coffee. So I'm going to just breeze through brows. I'm just filling them in with my Wet n Wild brush. It's like a small dense brush, and my Wet n Wild brow kit as well, that was. And then with a different Wet n Wild brush, I am painting around those brows and concealing them. This is actually, I know I didn't show it yet, but it's an LA Colors concealer. It's just a $1 shade light concealer. And with that, I'm also going over my, my, how should I say this, pimples. And I'm gonna blend out that conceal. So I really kind of went in with the brows. I didn't expect them to be that bold, but yeah. So here's my Physicians Formula Argan Oil that I do use as a primer sometimes. So I'm just putting that all over my face and the floor. And then I'm just gonna kind of massage that in with my hands. So now my skin is nice and moisturized. So I'm taking my Wet n Wild Photo Focus foundation, which I'm not the biggest fan of because it does have a strong smell. And but you know what, for coverage and everything, it's a pretty good foundation. And I'm just going to blend that all over my face. And there's that LA Colors concealer. So with that same concealer, I'm highlighting my under eye area and the other highlight zones of my face. For being just $1, I would totally recommend this. You know, you can play around with it and play around with the contour. I don't know what I'm saying, and I'm really sorry. I don't have time to re-record this voiceover, so whatever you get right now, you get. So this is the Circa Beauty bronzer. It's called Champagne Beach, and this is a newer product I've been using, and I'm really into it actually. As you can see, it's a really nice bronze. I mean, I don't know how else to put it. So I'm just blending that around my contour areas with the brush, and then I'm doing my nose contour with that. I got a really strong straight line right there, so I guess that was kind of cool. And then of course, once I do the nose, I'm gonna try and blend that out because like I said, it was a very strong line. Alright, so the face is already looking beat, you guys. I'm doing the tape trick today because I wanted my eyes to be on point. And by the way, this was right before going to Beez. Has anyone ever been there? So I'm taking my Maybelline Lemonade palette, which I'm so in love with, and I'm using the beautiful yellow shade to go in on my crease and lid. Beez, yellow, it all goes hand in hand. So yeah, I decided to do kind of a yellow eye look. I love yellow shadows, I just do. They're really pretty with brown eyes, I think. So I'm also bringing that down to my under eye area. So then I'm taking this matte kind of eggshell shade, and I'm doing my brow bone with that. It really is the perfect shade for the brow bone. And then I'm going to start cutting my crease. I'm just doing like a half lid cut crease here, which those tend to be really pretty if you can pull them off. So I used that same LA Colors concealer, by the way, and this is also an LA Colors product that I've been using for like well over a year. This is my loose loose powder, I guess. It's really shimmery and beautiful. It's just really beautiful yellow shimmery, and that is literally $1, and I've used it as a highlighter as well, and it's awesome. So this the eyeliner I used was LA Colors Graphics liner, which is also really great. You've probably heard me say it before, but it is quick drying and doesn't smudge. And then I didn't even realize I used all these LA Colors products in a row, but that was just one of their single shadows, like a pretty brownish clay color on my under eye area. Then I used Great Lash mascara, and this is the Katy Perry and CoverGirl collaboration. This is one of the Katy Kat glosses, which is kind of a pale nude, but it's shimmery, pretty, and it works. So I'm taking one of the shades from the Lemonade palette for my highlight, and I love doing this because it makes such a beautiful highlight. A lot of different eyeshadows do, you just have to kind of play around with it. But that finishes off the look. No fake lashes today, but the eye look is really beautiful. Oh, I'm sorry, I forgot my Lime Crime Diamond Crusher in the inner corner. Also, guys, I did darken up my crease, and I think the footage got lost, but thank you for watching.